Hello students, welcome in Babita Science tutorial. Let's continue our chapter, the fundamental unit of life of a class 9 science NCERT. And this is a part 10 of this chapter. In this video, I will explain you about the Golgi apparatus and the lysosomes. And you know very well, Golgi apparatus and lysosomes both are organelles which are present inside the cytoplasm of a cell. Let's proceed now. See this Golgi apparatus. Okay, and the Golgi apparatus was first discovered by the Camillo Golgi. On the basis of the scientist name Camillo Golgi, that's why its name is a Golgi apparatus. And same thing consists of a system of a membrane bound vesicles flattening sacs. Membrane bound vesicle students, I told you it is a small bag like structure. Okay, and this one is a flattened sacs, means flat bag. Okay, and in this one juice are filled, and this one is a membrane bound. Why it is called the membrane bound? Because it has a membrane. This outer covering of this Golgi apparatus is called the membrane. Okay, that's why it is called the membrane bound vesicles flattened sac arranged approximately parallel to each other in a stacks called the cisterns. Okay, student knows stacks means these are like this. Okay, it is a present like this in the parallel way. Okay, near the nucleus, or we can say the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, then this one is called the stack like structure, and this one is called the cisterns. Okay, now see here, these membranes often have connection with the membranes of ER. Okay, and therefore constitutes another portions of a complex cellular membrane system. And this Golgi apparatus is connected with the students ER, that is a endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, now let's proceed to another paragraph here. Okay, the material synthesized student means to make. Okay, the material synthesized near the ER is packed and dispatched to various targets inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Now students, I told you that a Golgi apparatus functions just like a transport which can helps in the transport of the food materials and dispatches them either to intracellular targets such as the plasma membrane and or lysosomes also, or extracellular targets also. It helps in the transport of the food materials. And you will see here the function here, it is that the function of the Golgi apparatus is that it can help in the storage, okay, modification means to change it, and packaging of products in or vesicles. Packaging of a products in vesicles means they can store the food materials into this vesicles. Okay, and in some cases complex sugars may be made from the simple sugars in the Golgi apparatus. Now complex sugars may also be made from the simple sugars in the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is also involved in the formation of the lysosomes. So very important here. Sorry. Golgi apparatus is a help in the formation of the lysosomes, also very important here this way. Then we can see that what is the Golgi apparatus? The Golgi apparatus consists of a set of a membrane bound fluid filled vesicles, vacuoles and flattened cristae which is present near the endoplasmic reticulum or nucleus, and the function of this one is that it can dispatches the food materials or it packages the material synthesized in the cells and dispatches them either to intracellular targets such as the plasma membrane and lysosomes, and it also helps in the formation of a lysosomes. Then student, lysosomes is a one kind of the organelles. Okay, let's proceed to another paragraph. See here, some things are given written about the Camleo Golgi. You can study by yourself. Details are given here about the Camleo Golgi. Now, next proceed to here lysosomes. Okay. Now, what is the lysosome, student? Lysosome is also a one kind of the organelles which is present inside the cytoplasm. And you know, very important question will also ask to you that what is the lysosomes and why it is called the societal bag. Okay, let's see now why lysosomes are called the societal bag. Now see, lysosomes are the membrane bound sac. Again you will see here, membrane bound sacs means it is a gold bag like structures which have a membrane. Okay, and this one is filled with digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes is present in this one sacs. These enzymes are made by the RER, and these enzymes are made by the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Lysosomes are the kind of the waste disposal system of the cells. The students, lysosomes is called the societal bag also, and it is also called the waste disposal system of the cell. Why it is called the waste disposal system of the cells? Because it can work like a scavengers. Okay, if any foreign particles or if any cell is burst inside it, the function of this lysosome is to eat up or clean this one. That's why it is called the waste disposal system of the cells. Now, these help to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign materials as well as the worn out cells organelles. I told you that it will keep the cell clean by digesting it, by eating it, and as well as the if any foreign particles enter it, then it will eat it, as well as the worn out cells organelles also. Worn out organ means if any organelles break inside the cell, then these lysosomes can eat this worn out organelles and make the cell clean. That's why it is called the waste disposal system of the cell. Sometimes it is also called the scavengers. Foreign materials enter in the cells, foreign such as a bacteria or food as well as old organelles end up in the lysosomes, which break complex substances into the simpler substances. Now these lysosomes, how the lysosomes eat this one? They can break the complex substances, means complex substances, and it will start to break it into the smaller substances with the help of the digestive enzymes, and they can eat it. Okay, now lysosomes are able to do this because they contain a powerful digestive enzymes capable of breaking down all organs. I told to you that lysosome, inside the lysosome digestive enzymes is present, which with the help of this digestive enzyme it can easily break this complex organelles into the simpler organelles. Okay, now during the disturbance in a cellular metabolism, for example, when the cells gets damaged, lysosomes may burst and the enzymes digest their own cells. Then in the cells also sometimes lysosomes kill itself and releases some digestive enzymes, okay, and eat their own cell. Therefore, lysosomes are also known as a societal bag of the cell. The students, you can see here many name is given here. Lysosomes is called the scavengers also. It is also called the waste disposal system of the cells. It is also called the societal bag. And these lysosomes are formed by the Golgi apparatus. Okay, now you see here Golgi apparatus is also involved in the formation of a lysosome. Then students, you can study this all. What is Golgi apparatus? Who discovered this one? Golgi apparatus. Okay, and how lysosomes are formed. What is the lysosomes? What is the function of this lysosomes? Why it is called the suicidal bag, squanches, and waste disposal system. If you have any problem, then you will comment me in my comment box. Till then, bye and have a nice day.